So good morning students. So in the last class we have already finished 13.2. Is I did up to question number 6. There are two questions left, which are question 7 and 8. So I gave you these two questions as a homework. So do this question at home. And if you are unable to solve this question of 13.2 question 7 and 8, then call me, text me, then I will solve the question in the next class. Okay. Now today we will start a new exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Yeah. So here see what is the question. The first question is a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. So first of all, see there is a metallic sphere given whose radius is 4.2, and if you melt the sphere and shape it to a new cylinder whose radius is given 6 cm and height is not given, we are asked to find the height of the cylinder. So question number 1, for the sphere, suppose radius r1 equal to 4.2 cm. Then for a cylinder, radius suppose r2 equal to 6 cm. Let the height of the cylinder be 8 cm. Yes. Now according to question, volume of cylinder equal to volume of sphere. Now volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. For the cylinder the radius is r and height is h, and for the volume radius is r1. So both side pi cancel. Yes, then here r2 equal to how much? 6. h is not given. 4/3. r1 equal to 4.2. Yes, then h equal to 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 3 into 6 into 6. So 6 0.7, 6 0.7, 3 1.4. So now we will multiply 4 into 0.7 into 0.7 into 1.4. So it is 98. So 98. It is 2.8. 4, 8, 72, then 80, then 16, 18, 19. 4, 6, 7. Yes. Here is given pi of pi. 64 or 64 6, that is 72 78. That's good. 78. But here 2.7448 is centimeter. So this is the height of the cylinder, 2.744 centimeter. Got it? Okay, now next question, see what is the next question. The next question is metallic sphere of radius 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm so respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Okay, there are three small spheres are given. By melting those three small spheres, we have formed a large sphere. So, what is the radius of the large sphere? So, here in this case, as you melt the three small spheres to form the larger one, so the volume of the three small sphere is equal to volume of the larger sphere. So, here given R1, R2 and then R3. What is R1? 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Yes. So let the radius of the resulting sphere be what? Sphere be R centimeter. Now according to question, volume of the resulting sphere equal to volume of the three small sphere. Because we got the resulting sphere by melting the three small spheres. So if you add the volume of the three small spheres, that is the volume of the resulting sphere. Now see here on the left hand side and right hand side, 4/3 pi common. R1 cube, R2 cube, then R3 cube. 4/3 pi cancel. R cube. What is R1? 6. This one 8. This one 10. 216, 512, 1000. So R cube equal to 1728. 1728. So R cube equal 12 centimeter whole cube, which implies R equal to 12 centimeter. So the radius of the resulting sphere equal to 12 centimeter. Finished? Now answer question number 3. Now see question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Simple question. We dig a well whose height is given and the radius diameter given. And as you all know that the shape of the well is like a cylinder. So the soil that comes up from the well is spread evenly on one side of the well to form a platform, and the length and height, breadth of the platform is given 22 meter by 14 meter, and the height of the platform is not given, which is the question that we are going to find out the height of the platform. And the soil that comes out from the well is used to make the platform, which is in the shape of a cuboid, because the length and breadth is given and the height is not given. So the volume of the well is equal to the volume volume of the platform, because the platform was formed by the volume of the well, means the volume that comes, the volume of soil that comes up from the well. By using those soil, we have made the platform. So the volume of the platform, that is cuboid, is equal to volume of the well. So here for the well, height, suppose h equal to how much? H equal to 20 meter. Diameter equal to 7 meter. So radius equal 7 by 2 meter. Got it? Then for the well, or for the platform, length equal to how much? Length equal to 22 meter, breadth equal to 40 meter. So let the height be h. Let the height be h meter. So according to question, volume of platform is equal to volume of well. So volume platform होगा LBH equal to pi r square h. Got it? So L equal to 22, B equal to 14, H equal to H, pi equal to how much? Pi 22 by 7, yes, 22 by 7. Pi equal to 22 by 7, R square, R equal to how much? 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Height equal to how much? Height equal to 20. So 7 cancel, 11. Then 10. 22 into 14 into h equal to 11 into 7 into 10. So h equal 11 into 7 into 10 by 22 into 14. 7 2 ja, 2 5 ja, 11 2 ja, 2 2.5. So the height is 2.5 meter. Understood? So the height of the well is, the height of the platform is 2.5 meter. Got it? Now next question. Next question is look at the same previous one but not the same. See, a well of diameter 3 meter and 40 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it to form a width of 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Okay, now see here what is the question. Suppose this is the well. This is the well. Now here the radius of the well is given 3 by 2 or 1.5 suppose 1.5, and the deep is given, height is given 40 meter. Yes. Now the earth comes out is spread evenly all around of with 4 meter. So now This is the embankment. So the earth that comes out from the well is spread only over this portion, and the length of the embankment is given 4 meters. So if the soil that comes out from the well is spread over this portion, then what is the height of the embankment? Listen, this question is similar to the previous one, but in the previous one, that the soil comes out is put the platform on one side of the well, but here we make the embankment around the well. So that's why only the height of this portion will be increased. And moreover, now it is plain surface. If you put the soil over this portion on the embankment, then it forms a height. That means it looks like a three-dimensional figure. Then see, this is the shape of the embankment. It looks like a circular. So first of all, we have till now it's a plain figure. So we have to find the area of the embankment at first. Area means what? Now the shape is like a circular. So simply suppose pi r square. Simply pi r square. So if after finding the area of the embankment, if you multiply by the height, then area into height equal to what? Equal to volume. And volume equal to what? Volume of embankment. This one. So here what is the first thing? First thing, we will find out the area of the embankment. Then multiply the height, and when the height will increase, when if you put the soil that comes up from the well spread over the embankment, then the height will increase. It means volume of the embankment equal to volume of the well. So before finding the volume of the embankment, we have to find out the area of the embankment. So here see, radius equal to small r 1.5 meter. Then capital R equal to how much? 4 meter. That is this one. The 4 meter. 4 plus 1.5. That is 5.5 meter. So height h equal to 40 meter. Let the height of the embankment be capital H. So now area of the embankment first. Area of the embankment. That is what? Outer circular area minus inner circular area. Pi common, r plus r into r minus r. So pi divided by 7. What is r plus r? Their summation is 7. And their difference is 4. Cancel. 88 meter. Got it? 88 meter. This is the area of the embankment, not the height. So after finding the area, we have to find out the height of the embankment. Now, according to question, volume of embankment equals to volume of well. So pi. Now what is the volume of the well? That is 88 into height. 88 into height equal to volume of the well pi r square, r equal to 1.5, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into height equal to how much? Height equal to 14 to 7 there. So 88 into h equals to 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 into 7. 7 cancel, 2 11 there. That is 88, h equal to 99, which implies h equal to 99 by 88, 8 by 9, 1.125. 1.125 meter. This is the height. Maybe capital H. Now I can say capital H. Yes, it's capital H. No, small H. Sorry. So height of the embankment is 1.125 meter. So this is the solution. Got it? So that's all for this class. In the next class, we are trying to finish the exercise. There are 4 or 5 questions maybe left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are trying our best to finish the exercise. Otherwise, I'll give you some 1 or 2 question homework. Yes. So thank you. Bye.